Habari zenu, karibuni katika session nyingine hapa Learning Kiganjani. Katika session hii tutaendelea na solving kama tulivyokuwa pia katika session zilizopita, na huu ni mtihani wa TAHISCO mwaka 2024 kidato cha pili. Kama ndo mara kwanza kuwa hapa, tusha solve swali la kwanza mpaka la 6, na katika session hii tutaendelea na swali la 7 na la 8. Swali la 7 nasema kwamba if square root of 3 is given to be 1.732 na square root of 5 ni 2.236, we are supposed to evaluate this expression here, 3 over square root of 5 plus square root of 3. So we have to rationalize the denominator. I'll be multiplying by conjugate of denominator square root of 5 minus square root of 3. Then you multiply again by square root of 5 minus square root of 3. When you multiply, we'll be getting actually 3 in the bracket square root of 5 minus square root of 3 divided by, we'll be using actually a difference of 2 squares here. This is similar to having a square minus b square. If this is going to be a and this is going to be b, so that you have square root of 5 square minus square root of 3 square. Dear students, working further with this, we'll be having 3 times square root of 5 minus square root of 3 divided by 5 minus 3. Eventually you're getting actually 3, then square root of 5 minus square root of 3 divided by 2. And we were given already the value of square root of 5 and square root of 3. So this expression here will be actually equal to 3 in the bracket 2.236 minus 1.732 divided by 2. When you find the difference, upon finding the difference, so we have in 2.236 minus 1.732, you get 0.504. So I'll be having 3 times 0.504 divided by 2. So you multiply by 3, you divide it by 0.504, multiply by 3, divided by 2. Eventually we get 0.756. 0.756. So that is solution for question number 7A. Jumping to question number 7B, we are supposed to find the value of log 20 and log 90 if we were given log 2, log 3, and log 5. So we'll be actually breaking down 20 into factors of 2, 5, and 3. I think now we are back. There was a dropout and we are back again. So dear students, opening this will be having actually log of 4 plus log of 5. This is the same as log 2 square plus log 5. And this is going to be 2 log 5, which is 0. Adding those numbers 2 times 0.3010, 2 times 0.3010 plus 0.699. Eventually, we are getting 1.301, dear students. We proceed with log 90. And when we break down log 90 into factors of 2, 3, and 5, to be down further so that you have log 9 times 2 times 5. And this can be expressed to be log 9 plus log 2 plus log 5. And this is going to be log 3 square plus log 2 plus log 5. You use a power rule so that you have 2 log 3 plus log 2 plus log 5. When you plug there, you'll be having 2 times log 3, 0.4771 plus log 2, 0.3010 plus log 5, 0.699. So you're going to have a summation. So we'll be adding these, dear students, and upon adding them, eventually here we are going to get 0.301. You add with 0.4771, 0.4771, you add with 0.301, you add with 0.699. Eventually we get 1.95, so 1.9542, dear students. So that is solution for question number 7. And now we are going to start question number 8. In question number 8, in the figure below, EH equals to GH, EH equals to GH, and both the triangle EHF and triangle GHF are right-angled triangles. You're supposed to prove that triangle EGF is isosceles triangle. Basically, you're supposed to prove that this side here is equal to this side there. So we are going to consider 2 triangles. First, we are going to prove that they are congruent triangles. So I'll be saying that we are supposed actually to prove that EF is equal to GF. And for we to prove that, actually the first step is to prove that triangle EHF is congruent to triangle HGF. And to prove that, we are going to proceed here by using the following details. First of all, we are given EH in the first triangle is equal to HG. So basically this is given. This is given information. But also HF is common side. So HF, it is actually common side. Then you have angle EHF, angle EHF is equal to angle FHG. It is given that it is 90 degrees. So by these three details, so we conclude that the triangle EHF is congruent to triangle FHG, and this is actually by side angle side congruent theorem. Hence, EF, this is equal to FG, and therefore the large triangle that is now EFG is isosceles triangle, So triangle EFG is isosceles triangle, dear students. The second question, and this is going to be the last question in this session. So the second question, dear students, if there is dropout in the voice, I'm sorry for that. It is because of internet speed. But coming to second question, find the value of x for which DE is parallel to AB in the given figure below. If a triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEC. So if triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEC, the ratio of corresponding sides are equal. So I'll be taking AC over BC will be equal to taking DC over EC. So AC is actually 3x plus 19 plus x plus 3 divided by BC, it is x plus 3x plus 4. This will be equal to DC, which is x plus 3 divided by EC, which is now x. So we have to solve this equation. Collecting like terms, we'll be having 4x plus 22 divided by 4x plus 4. So you have 4x plus 4 equals to x plus 3 divided by x. Crossing multiplication. When you cross in multiplication, then you'll be having actually x being multiplied by 4x plus 22 equals to x plus 3 multiply by 4x plus 4. Opening the bracket, you'll be having 4x squared plus 22x equals to 4x squared plus 4x plus 12x, 4x plus 12x plus 12. So upon collecting like terms, 4x squared will be going, so that you have now 22x minus 16x equals to 12. Basically, we get 6x equals to 12, and x will be 12 over 6, which is equal to 2, dear students. So the question, find the value of x. So the value of x the value of x is 2 centimeter. The value of x is 2 centimeter. So we have managed to solve question number 7 and question number 8. And that is all for today's session. I wish you all the best in your mathematics learning endeavor. Consider sharing this content with students who are in need, especially from 2 students who are now preparing for their national assessment test. See you in the next